Storms can strike with incredible speed and without any warning signs, and the damage they leave behind isn't always obvious or immediately apparent at first glance. At Clean USA, we fully understand just how overwhelming the aftermath of storm damage can truly feel. From insidious roof leaks to devastatingly flooded basements and all points in between. That's precisely why we're dedicated to helping Sycamore homeowners, providing support and guidance through every single step of the way. Our experienced team specializes in fast, reliable storm damage restoration services specifically tailored for Sycamore, Illinois, and its surrounding communities. We understand the urgency of the situation. That's why we arrive within 90 minutes, fully equipped and ready to tackle both visible and hidden damage caused by the storm. From thorough roof inspections to water extraction, comprehensive structural drying, and complete professional repairs, we handle every aspect of the restoration process with expertise. When severe storms disrupt the safety and comfort of your home, you can trust Clean USA to act swiftly and efficiently to restore not just your property, but also your peace of mind. Need immediate help after a devastating storm? Don't hesitate. Call us today for prompt and expert storm damage restoration services you can depend on.